now, basically, instead of using ChatGPT with an open prompt where you can write whatever, and that's exactly the problem, which is what should I type? What should be the prompt in order to generate the response that I need for my task? One, and two, how do I fine tune it? So that's why we build this first version. We call it the agent bot, and that's really an AI assistant for real estate agents. So basically, what you do here, you click on this cut and paste icon button, and you paste that into the prompt. You can fine tune the prompt itself. So you have the template that you can walk off of, and then you hit send, and then your specific response is going to get generated, but fine-tuned for that task, and very different if you were to send a similar request yourself on ChatGPT. You can probably get to something accurate like we fine-tune here manually, but it's going to take you a lot of time, expertise, effort, research, and tuning and tuning and tuning over and over again. So that's why we build this agent bot tool, and this is just one example. Now, outside of these several examples or several templates that were provided with this tool, we still allow for that open prompt. So if you still want to fine tune and you feel comfortable to use this assistant as your AI assistant, as similar to ChatGPT, you can definitely go ahead and type in. But in most cases, we noticed that our customers actually stick to the templates, and there were very little to almost no modification. And the reason is very simple. It just takes time, and they are looking to get a task done and not to really play around with the tool beyond what they need to execute on. So now we took that to a completely new level, a new generation of AI assistant, which is successexpert.ai.